We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how to listen to Apple Music offline. So if you would like to still have an access to the songs on your Apple Music playlist or library, even if there is no internet connection present or you just want to listen to your library offline, doesn't matter which reason, you need to download those songs. So the way you can do that, you can go into your library and download the playlists like that, full playlists. You can open the songs list and download the songs here one by one. Or you can just go into your iPhone settings, then here find the music category and open it, and then enable the sync library and automatic downloads toggle. And then that once all those options are enabled, within a day, within 24 hours, or all your Apple Music library will be automatically downloaded, and well, you'll be able to access it in the future, even when your iPhone is in offline mode or simply doesn't have any kind of internet connection. So I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.